Hi, I'm Halimat, a social media manager and recently turned Scrum Master based in the UK. My experience so far with 10alytics has been nothing short of amazing. I've seen other programs, heard of other programs, I've had friends who have done other programs, but compared to what I've seen and what I've heard about, this program is definitely worth it. They give you hands-on support. Our tutors are always available for our questions, both during the sessions and after the sessions during the week. And the timetable is so suitable because it's weekends, considering most of us that work probably a 9-to-5 job or Monday to Friday, and the timing is absolutely awesome. The experience has been amazing so far. I've been able to successfully transition from being just a social media manager and project manager into being an agile practitioner, which is a Scrum Master. So to someone who is contemplating registering with 10alytics, do it. Just do it. It is worth every penny. Honestly, it is worth it. You would enjoy the whole process, the whole learning experience. You're not just being tutored by just anyhow people. It's not just about reading slides. It is more about gaining from valuable experienced Scrum Masters who are working in that field. So they are able to give you out of their own knowledge, cite examples, give you scenarios based on their own experience and not just based on theoretical aspects, which is what I love the most about the program. So in relation to the price of this program, I would say that I would expect them to charge higher because it is worth more than what I actually paid for. Because to get a program that will help you out with your CV, give you mentoring sessions, help you out not just in class but after class as well, give you job interview tips, give you interview simulation sessions, give you simulation sessions to practicalize what you've actually learned theoretically, give you an internship opportunity, the list goes on and on, give you a CV to work with, how to create your portfolio. You just get everything you need to kickstart your journey into tech. So the results and milestone I have achieved since starting this training is I've successfully been able to create a portfolio on GitHub, even though I had no idea whatsoever on how to use it before. Okay, my favorite part about our training would definitely be my classmates or my cohort mates. They are amazing. It is just nice to have a group of people who you share the same values with, share the same similar dreams with, and share the same target with. So that is my best part of the training, I think. Working alongside my teammates, collaborating with them, learning from our tutor, becoming a family from strangers, that is the best. I am definitely likely to recommend 10 out of 10 10alytics to anybody. I've already started doing that. I definitely made the right choice joining 10alytics. It was the best decision ever for 2024. It was an amazing way to end my 2024 and begin my 2025. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.